In this video, I will show you how to fix the MSVCP140.dll missing or not found error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Even if your error displays other similar DLL files, the steps will be the same. You can follow along with this video to fix that too. First, open your web browser. In the search box, type the name of the file that is missing. For example, type MSVCP140.dll download. If you have a different number in the error, replace 140 with that number. Now press Enter. From the search results, open the website named dllfile.com. You can also find the link in the video description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser to go directly to the page. Once you're on the website, scroll down a bit. You will see options to download the file for different system types. One is for 64-bit and the other is for 32-bit. You need to download both of them. It does not matter if your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. You must download both. Click the download button for the 64-bit version first. It will take a few seconds to start downloading. After that, go back and click the download button for the 32-bit version. Wait for it to finish downloading as well. Now open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. You will see two zip files that you just downloaded. To avoid confusion, let's rename them. Right-click on the first one, which is for 64-bit, and rename it to 64-bit. Then rename the other one to 32-bit. After renaming them, you need to extract both zip files. Right-click on each file and choose Extract All. Wait for both of them to extract. Once both files are extracted, move the folders to your desktop. This will make it easier to work with them. Now you can close File Explorer. On your desktop, you will now see two folders. One is for 64-bit and the other is for 32-bit. Next, we will move these files to the correct location in your system. Open File Explorer again. Click on This PC or Local Disk C. Then open the Windows folder. Now scroll down and open the folder called System32. Keep this folder open on one side. On the other side, open the 64-bit folder from your desktop. Inside the folder, you will find the MSVCP140.dll file. Drag and drop this file into the System32 folder. If you get a message asking to replace the file or give permission, click on Continue or Replace File in the destination. Now, close the 64-bit folder. Next, go back in File Explorer to the Windows folder again. This time, open the folder called SysWOW64. This is where we will place the 32-bit version of the file. Open the 32-bit folder from your desktop. Inside, you will find the MSVCP140.dll file again. Drag and drop this file into the SysWOW64 folder. Again, if you get a message asking for permission, just click on Continue or Replace. Now close everything. The next step is to make sure that Microsoft Visual C++ is installed correctly. Click on the search bar in your taskbar and type appwiz.cpl, press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window. Here, look for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable in the list. If you find it, right-click on it and choose Change. Then click on Repair. Click Yes if it asks for permission. Wait until the repair is complete. If you have more than one version, like both 2015 and 2017, you should repair each one the same way. Right-click, choose Change, then click Repair. After repairing, it may ask you to restart your computer, but wait until you have repaired all the versions, then restart once at the end. If you do not see Microsoft Visual C++ in the list, you will need to install it. To do that, open your browser again. Search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable Download. Click on the Microsoft link from the official website. The link is also in the video description. On the download page, you will see two files. One is for x64 and one is for x86. You need to download both files. After downloading, double-click on each one and install them. Once installed, restart your computer. Now, try to open the program that was giving the error before. That's it. This method should fix the MSVCP140.dll missing or not found problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching.